Hey everyone, today we're going to walk you through how to open up a Marcus by Goldman Sachs savings account. It's super easy and you can do the whole process right from your computer or phone. So first, go to the Marcus website and find the savings account section. From there, you'll then be able to see the high yield savings account options. So simply take a moment to check the interest rates and features to make sure it's the right one for you. And once you're ready, you can then click open an account. And you then need to provide some basic information like your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. They're also going to ask you for your employment and income details. So don't worry, this is standard for opening any savings account. Next, you're also going to have to link an existing bank account for funding your Marcus account. This is how you're going to make your initial deposit and future transfers. And after linking your bank account, you then have to enter the amount you want to deposit to get started. And before submitting, simply double check all your information to make sure it's accurate. Then submit. And your application will then be reviewed. So Marcus usually processes applications pretty quickly. And once approved, your account will be active and you get access to your online dashboard to manage your savings. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.